Teacher Al, a private school teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is multiplication of integers. Before nasagutin natin itong anim na tanong, gusto ko muna mag-review tayo sa sign ng multiplication. Pag nag-multiply tayo ng positive times positive, the answer is positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative. In other words, kapag like sign, all positive. Pag unlike sign, all negative ang ating sagot. Okay? Sagutan na natin ang number 1. Positive times positive equals positive. Then, 14 times 6. You have to compute times 24, carry 2, 6, plus 2, 84. So the answer is 84. Next, we have number 2. Negative times negative, the answer is positive because like sign. Then multiply 17 times 9. 63, here is 6. 9 times 1, 9, plus 6 is 15. So 153. Number 3, positive times negative. The answer is negative. Unahin muna natin yung sign para sure yung sign natin na hindi natin makalimutan. So 12 times 8 equals 16. Carry 1, 96. The answer is 96. Next is number 4. Negative times positive equals negative. Then multiply 235 times 6. 30, carry 3, 8 plus 3, 21, carry 2, 12 plus 2, 14. So the answer is 1,410 negative. Number 5, we have negative times negative equals positive times negative equals negative. Then multiply 6 times 4, 24 times 3, 12, carry 1, 72. The answer is negative 72. The last number 6. We have positive times negative equals negative. Negative times negative equals positive. Answer is positive. Then multiply 8 times 6 equals 48 times 3 is 24. Carry 2. 12. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2 is 14. So positive 144. That's the end of our computation. I hope you learned from our topic. Don't forget to share, to like, and subscribe.